How to send the mass email on Acuity. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to send a bulk or a mass of emails to your clients or multiple persons or recipients email into your Acuity account. So the process is going to be very easy and very simple, and depending on the services that you are going to have or the promotion that you are going to run up for the campaign, it is going to be also very simple. You're going to head over acuity.com, then you're going to sign in for your account. Once you have signed in, you're going to click on get started, then you're going to see the calendar of yours. Now, once you are here, you're going to see normally everything. Now, what we're going to do is to head over the email campaigns. So we are going basically here to create a campaign that is going to be from the specific, let's say here, Squarespace, because Equity is going to be on the Squarespace. So you're going to head over here on the Squarespace, and you're going to click on email campaigns. So you're going to head over here, click on email campaigns, then we're going basically to click on create. So you're going to set up, for example, the example of this email. You can go ahead and use the template just like that by clicking on it. And then you're going to see the Squarespace campaigns. So you're going to modify the styles of the email and also the email itself. When you finish right there, you can go ahead and head over the campaign. As you can see, the subject line, the email preview here, and also the to and from. So we're going to put here not a unique receiver, but we're going to set up all the subscribers. So these subscribers are going to come from the subscription or the sign up forms that you're going to put into the specific Squarespace account of yours, or it is going to be added manually or imported by a file that you are going to put. And with that, you're going to see that you have here the total of the recipients set up in here, and then you're going to have them your way. Also, from these recipients, you can segmentate them, put some tags on them, and also send some digital products in here for these specific clients. And this is how you can send a mass or set up a big campaign into your Acuity scheduling. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.